So here we are in VCAC with auto flow on, right? So we're in PRVC. And notice I've got everything set as suggested. VT 500, I time 1 second, respiratory rate, everything's good. Notice I've got a setting here called Pmax. So Pmax is a true pressure limit, okay? So when our pressure hits that point, instead of cycling like a high pressure limit, it will limit the pressure to that level. So if you look, our current PIP is 13. So let's turn my Pmax, like a pressure limit, to like a high pressure limit to our alarm to 23. And now, let's see what happens. So we're going along. We can see our target volume is around 500, just like specified. Our PIP is 13, like we talked about. Well, what's going to happen if compliance goes down to 20? Okay, so let's see. Watch the first breath. What happens? We're around 500, right? Compliance goes down to 20. Notice first breath. Volume fell by half. Now we can see pressures are starting to go up. 17, they were 14, 17, 20, 19. What's happening? See what's happening? When we hit our Pmax, it's actually limiting that pressure. So it's trying to get up to our tidal volume, but it can't because of the Pmax. So watch, if I put this up to even 24, it might be enough to get us there. See, right away it overshoot by 1, we went to 25. Tidal volume's not quite there yet, but it's a true limit. It doesn't end the breath, right? Our high pressure alarm, see, let's put it down to 20 and watch what happens. Well, okay, I put it to 21. Let's go to 20, like I said. See what happens? It limits it. It doesn't cycle when it hits it. But notice it tells you it's pressure limited. We're holding it at that right around the pressure of 20. You can see we're overshooting by a couple. But the result of holding it to that level is we don't reach our tidal volume. In fact, we're 100 mils less than our target because of that adjustment in Pmax.